Have you ever stopped to think about just how much information, like all the information, one single website can possibly hold about the entire world of entertainment?
It's kind of staggering when you actually consider it.
Right, we're talking everything.
Mhm.
Latest box office numbers, specific film festival coverage, even, when your favorite star's birthday
It's
is.
all meticulously cataloged somewhere.
Exactly. So today we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating breadth and I guess the strategic depth of a truly iconic online resource, IMDb.
It really is iconic.
Yeah, and using excerpts from IMDb Staff Picks IMDb as our guide, our
Mhm.
mission today is to unpack not just what IMDb offers, but maybe how it's built to be so comprehensive and globally reaching.
And how it connects all those dots.
Totally. We'll try to uncover some surprising facts and connect those dots on how this platform gives you such a rich tapestry of entertainment knowledge, all curated for you.
Sounds good. Where do we start?
Well, when I first looked at our sources for this, my first thought was, okay, IMDb, that's where you check who was in a movie or maybe its rating. Pretty basic stuff.
That's the common perception, for sure.
But what immediately jumped out is that it goes so far beyond a simple database. It's like an expansive universe of content built for every kind of entertainment seeker.
Yeah, it's not just listings.
Not at all. For instance, it offers a dynamic release calendar, the top 250 movies, which are like cultural touchstones already.
Absolutely. Everyone knows those lists.
And then most popular movies. Plus, you can browse movies by genre. And it does the same comprehensive thing for TV shows. Top 250 TV, most popular, genre browsing.
It's a complete digital guide, really.
It is.
And what's really insightful there, I think, is how IMDb manages to integrate so many different aspects of the entertainment industry all into one coherent, very active experience.
Active is a good word. It's not just sitting there.
No, it's designed for active discovery.
Yeah.
And this diverse content strategy means they cater to a huge spectrum of users. The casual viewer looking for something tonight,
Right, like me sometimes.
all the way to the dedicated enthusiast researching some obscure classic. It effectively makes IMDb the sort of definitive first stop. It creates this whole ecosystem on just one platform.
That makes me wonder, though, what does all that depth really achieve? I mean, beyond just being convenient. Because it's not just about what to watch. Our sources show it's also about how and when to watch it. They highlight these really practical tools.
Like the showtimes.
Exactly. Things like top box office figures, which are cool. Yeah, but also showtimes and tickets for theaters and what's on TV and streaming.
Connecting the dots to actual viewing.
Yeah. These features aren't just data points. They feel like direct calls to action, don't they?
They absolutely are. And that's a critical strategic move, moving beyond simple data aggregation to, well, practical utility.
Making it useful.
Precisely. By offering direct links to showtimes or, where to stream something, IMDb changes from just an info site into an actionable tool.
Okay, yeah, I see that.
And that massively enhances user engagement because it fulfills an immediate need. It streamlines the whole process for you, the viewer.
Gets rid of a few clicks.
Right. It positions them as this central hub in what's otherwise a really fragmented streaming and viewing landscape. That's a strategic advantage few others have really nailed to this degree.
What also struck me as, really interesting is how IMDb has evolved beyond just gathering existing info. Our sources point to this deliberate shift into creating content. We see things like IMDb Originals, IMDb Picks, IMDb Spotlight, even a family entertainment guide.
They're producing their own stuff now.
Yeah, and they've got IMDb podcasts listed too. So it's not just reporting on entertainment, they're actively kind of shaping the conversation around it.
That push into original content and curated guides, yeah, that shows a significant strategic evolution. Definitely. Well, they're positioning themselves not just as a repository of facts, but as a tastemaker, a content provider in their own right.
Okay, giving opinions, recommendations.
Exactly. And that lets them foster a deeper, maybe more emotional connection with their audience. They offer these editorial perspectives that complement the raw data.
Great, building a brand experience.
Totally.
Yeah.
It goes way beyond just the facts, and it could potentially influence viewing habits and preferences.
And for anyone who, thrives on staying current, the platform feels like a real-time entertainment newsroom.
Constantly updated.
Yeah, constant updates, movie news, TV news, what to watch, latest trailers. And I noticed there's a specific India movie spotlight.
Interesting. Regional focus.
Yeah, which signals a clear, thoughtful approach, right? It's not just generic global news. It seems tailored. shows they understand diverse audiences.
That inclusion of localized news like the India movie Spotlight is particularly telling, I think.
What?
It signals IMDb's recognition of just how global entertainment consumption is now, and the absolute need to cater to diverse cultural markets.
Makes sense.
So connecting this to the bigger picture, it shows a pretty sophisticated understanding of their audience's varied interests and where they are geographically. That ensures relevance and engagement across different regions.
Which is key for growth.
Absolutely key for sustained growth for any global platform today.
But there's an even deeper layer of engagement, isn't there? Especially when, like, major events happen.
Award season, yeah.
Exactly. Award season or big conventions like San Diego Comic-Con. IMDb really becomes your central hub then.
It does feel that way.
Our sources detail this comprehensive coverage, the Oscars, the Emmys, even specific guides like the Summer Watch Guide or dedicated coverage of the Toronto Vindle Film Festival.
They really lean into those moments.
Yeah. They transform into the definitive guide for all the biggest moments in entertainment. They anticipate and serve that peak user interest.
And that comprehensive awards and festival coverage is critical. It establishes IMDb's authority. It makes them the source during those periods of heightened public interest.
When everyone's searching for winners or nominees.
Exactly. These events are often global cultural touchstones. By providing that dedicated hub, IMDb capitalizes on huge spikes in search traffic and user engagement.
Smart.
It solidifies their position as the go-to platform for critical entertainment events. It's about owning that cultural moment.
And then for anyone, like, fascinated by the people behind the stories, the stars.
Oh yeah, the celebrity angle.
IMDb leverages celebrity power like few others seem to. You can find IMDb stars to watch, the Starmeter Awards, which are actually a fascinating look at evolving popularity.
That's driven by user searches, right?
Likely so, yeah. Then there's Award Central, Festival Central, all events, even Born Today, so you never miss a celebrity birthday.
A full celebrity tracker.
Pretty much. Plus, most popular celebs and celebrity news. It's a full-on celebration and trapping of the people who bring our favorite stories to life.
And that emphasis on celebrity-centric features. It speaks volumes about the significant role personalities play in attracting and keeping audiences.
People follow people.
Totally.
Yeah.
By tracking popularity, celebrating milestones, providing news, IMDb taps into that fundamental human interest aspect of entertainment.
Makes sense.
It turns abstract films and shows into relatable narrative driven by faces you recognize. That deepens your connection to the content.
Yeah.
And it creates this cycle, right? Interest in a star leads you back to their projects on the platform.
Right. Keeps you clicking around.
Keeps you engaged.
Now, beyond just passively consuming content, the sources also point out IMDb's focus on community and industry integration.
Right. It's not just for viewers.
No. They have a help center, sure, but then there's a contributor zone for people who want to add to the site's vast information.
Crowdsourcing knowledge.
Yeah. And polls for engaging with the community, and critically, a section for industry professionals.
IMDb Pro.
Exactly. This really shows how many different facets they cater to, from the casual user like us, maybe, to the actual creators and workers in the industry.
That contributor zone, especially, is a fascinating strategic move.
How so?
It leverages the collective knowledge and, let's face it, the passion of its user base. It transforms the platform into this dynamic, living repository of information that kind of self-updates and self-corrects, at least to a degree.
Wow, okay.
And the features for industry professionals, like IMDb Pro, highlight its dual role. It's both a public database and a vital professional resource for casting, production, business intelligence.
So it's deeply embedded.
Deeply. This whole ecosystem is powered by a colossal behind-the-scenes operation. It's an unseen marvel of data management and content moderation, ensuring millions of entries stay accurate and current for a global audience.
Okay, let's shift gears a bit. It's not just about what they offer, but who they offer it to, and how widely it reaches.
The global aspect.
Yeah, our sources really underscore IMDb's global ambition and their dedication to user experience. While English, United States, is fully supported, they list this impressive array of partially supported languages.
Let's see. Yeah, French for Canada and France, German, Hindi, Italian, Portuguese for Brazil, Spanish for Spain and Mexico.
Right. What's the strategic play there? Is it just about being nice to international users?
Oh, it's far beyond just being nice. This isn't merely a courtesy. It's a foundational pillar for achieving true market dominance.
Really? that crucial.
Absolutely. In today's increasingly globalized entertainment world, language localization isn't a bonus feature, it's an absolute necessity for relevance, for deep market penetration.
Makes sense. Can't use it if you can't read it.
Exactly. By providing content in multiple languages, even partially, IMDb significantly lowers the barrier to entry for millions of potential users worldwide. It makes their vast database accessible and relevant to a much larger audience,
Driving adoption everywhere.
driving broader adoption and engagement in diverse markets. Which, by the way, then feeds back into their data collection, making the whole system richer.
So, for someone navigating this huge platform, how does IMDb try to personalize the experience, make it feel like yours?
Good question.
The sources mentioned features like a watch list and a recently viewed section. They even note the example, you have no recently viewed pages, just to show the feature exists.
Subtle but important touches.
Yeah, they seem subtle but powerful ways to tailor the experience. And of course, there's the option to sign in for an even more personalized journey.
And those personalization features are absolutely critical for enhancing user engagement and, crucially, retention.
Keeping you coming back.
Precisely.
Yeah.
A watch list isn't just a list. It actively encourages users to return. It serves as your personal cue. Recently viewed pages. That's just convenience, letting you pick up where you left off, reducing friction.
Makes it easier to stay.
Right. By letting you customize your experience, IMDb transforms from just a generic information source into your personalized entertainment assistant. That fosters loyalty. It makes the platform more indispensable because it's constantly learning from your behavior.
And thinking about today's world, mobile first is everything. Our source simply states, use app, indicating IMDb is readily available on mobile devices. What does that seemingly simple statement tell us about their overall strategy?
Well, that's a crucial point that's often overlooked. Multi-platform accessibility, especially through a dedicated, optimized app, isn't a luxury anymore.
It's table stakes now.
It's a fundamental necessity for any digital service operating at this scale. It ensures a consistent, high-quality user experience across all your devices, and it caters to the modern user's expectation of instant access, wherever they happen to be.
Gotta have it on your phone.
This strategic embrace of mobile access further cements IMDb's utility in your everyday life. It ensures its continuous relevance in a digital landscape that's changing incredibly fast.
Okay, let's try and unpack some of the hidden depths here. While we see this massive public-facing website,
The part we all use.
yeah, our sources also give us a glimpse into the immense operation behind it. It clearly states IMDb, an Amazon company, connects it right to one of the largest corporations on Earth.
Yeah, that's a big one.
What does being an Amazon company actually imply for a platform like IMDb? What does that give them?
Okay, that raises a critical strategic point. Being an Amazon company implies access to truly incredible resources. We're talking vast technological infrastructure.
Cloud computing, servers.
Exactly. Substantial financial capital and a huge network of expertise in areas like cloud computing, data analytics, global logistics, you name it.
A massive toolkit.
An exceptionally robust foundation. It allows for scalability, reliability, and continuous innovation. It lets IMDb operate at its current immense scale and also deeply integrate with other Amazon services, like Prime Video.
Creating that synergy.
A very powerful synergy.
Yeah. And this isn't some new kid on the block either. The copyright information is really telling. 1990-2025 by IMDb.com, Inc.
Wow, 1990.
Yeah.
That's ancient in internet years.
Isn't it? That's a profound history of continuous development and updates. How does a platform even maintain that kind of longevity and relevance, especially in the notoriously fast-paced tech and entertainment worlds?
Those copyright dates, they really underscore the platform's enduring presence and its unwavering commitment to ongoing development.
Over 3 decades.
Yeah, spanning over 3 decades. That longevity speaks volumes about its adaptability and the sustained value it provides. It's clearly not just a static archive. It's a dynamic entity.
Always evolving.
Consistently evolved to meet the demands of the industry and its audience. And that requires not just the financial backing we mentioned.
From Amazon.
Right, but also a deep, deep understanding of data curation, technological updates, and constantly anticipating what users are going to need next.
Looking ahead. Now, beyond the site we all use, there are also related services and different business models that hint at this broader IMDb strategic ecosystem. The sources mention IMDb Pro and Office Mojo as related services.
Key industry tools.
Yeah. And for those interested in the raw data itself, There's even the option to license IMDb data.
Hmm.
It really shows a highly multifaceted approach to their business, doesn't it? Catering to different needs, different revenue streams.
Well, absolutely. This truly reveals the strategic value of the broader IMDb ecosystem. IMDb Pro, for instance, serves industry professionals directly. Advanced tools, contact info, detailed data. It positions IMDb as indispensable for casting, production, business intelligence.
The backbone for parts of the industry.
You could say that.
Yeah.
And Box Office Mojo, that's a vital data source for financial analysis within the film industry. Critical insights into market performance.
Numbers.
Crucial numbers. And by offering data licensing, they further monetize all that meticulously gathered information. It demonstrates a really sophisticated business model that extends far beyond the typical consumer website. It's deeply embedded in the industry itself.
So when you consider this entire ecosystem, public features, pro services, data licensing, it really begs the question, how on earth do you manage an information repository of this magnitude?
The scale is just immense.
It is. Our source lists various operational components, internal and external facing stuff like help, site index, press room, advertising, jobs, conditions of use, privacy policy, and your ads' privacy choices.
The operational nuts and bolts.
Right, but this isn't just a list of legal or HR items, is it? What does it tell us about the monumental, maybe unseen engineering challenge behind a platform like this?
That's exactly right. These operational components are the unseen gears that keep the entire massive machine running. Forget just the legal frameworks like conditions of use and privacy policy, which are essential for global operation, obviously.
Yeah.
But consider the jobs section alone. It hints at the thousands of people involved in everything from software engineering to content moderation, data science, sales.
A huge workforce.
Huge. And think about the tech. Real-time data ingestion, incredibly complex relational databases managing literally billions of data points, robust APIs supporting all their different services.
Mind-boggling complexity.
It's a colossal engineering and logistical undertaking that often goes completely unseen. It relies on sophisticated distributed systems and a highly refined data architecture just to ensure accuracy, speed, and global accessibility. 247.
Wow. So, okay, our deep dive into IMDb, it's really revealed this massive and intricate platform. It serves us far, far more than just a movie database.
Much more.
From strategically tracking global box office to celebrating celebrity birthdays, from creating original content to operating across multiple languages and professional services, it's really a testament to the power of comprehensive information aggregation.
An intelligent strategic evolution over decades.
Yeah. It feels like a foundational pillar that underpins how we discover, how we consume, and even how we work within the global entertainment industry today.
It's woven into the fabric of entertainment now.
It really is. And this leaves us with a truly thought-provoking question for you, the listener, to maybe ponder.
Okay.
Considering that IMDb has been continuously updated and copyrighted all the way from 1990 to 2025, how does a platform manage to not just collect, but actually maintain such a vast, dynamic, and accurate repository of information across so many rapidly evolving facets of global entertainment?
The maintenance challenge is incredible.
Right. And what does this incredible, continuous level of data management and strategic adaptation tell us about the future? About how we consume and, importantly, how we trust information in our fast-paced, ever-changing digital world?
Big questions about data, trust, and longevity online.
Definitely something to think about. We encourage you to explore IMDb for yourself with maybe some of these new insights in mind. What fascinating piece of the entertainment universe will you discover next?